like to teach you about the templates. First of all, they exist because if you're doing a link building campaign, you've probably been using spreadsheets and you have columns that you need, and it feeds your individual business workflows. Well, we don't want you to replace that or sacrifice that. We want you to be able to add that into the system as well and take advantage of some of the automations that the tool offers. So the best way to start doing this is go to the templates page. Now here you can add a new template. So for us, here's our, before we had Linkio, here is the spreadsheet that we used to use for managing our link building campaigns. We had the name of our clients, the type of link, who was writing it, who was posting it, instructions, the anchor text, anchor type. A lot of the stuff is in the system by default. But a lot of the stuff is also specific to our own workflow. So I want to give you a sense of how we can integrate this part of it into our workflow. So here I'll put Outreach Mama template for guest posts. Okay. So this is just for guest posting. I'm going to use it. I could have to add different link types if I wanted to, but I'm going to stick with guest posting. So we already have the link type, the anchor text, target URL, the status, and the source. But I also want to be able to show which writing service we're going to use for a particular link. Okay. Now the best way I can do this is I can hit this toggle right here. Here are the existing columns, and here are the custom columns if any were created. But I want to add a new custom column since I don't see this particular one here. Click that, get this pop up. I can name this writing service. And there's different column types. There can be a predetermined choice, a date, a number, text, free text, and then a user. For us, we have specific writing services that we use. So I'm going to select choice, and we could do writer 1, writer 2, writer 3. I can only select one of these, so I'm going to leave this unchecked. And I don't want people adding new choices for this particular one, so I'll leave that unchecked too. Now I can save that. Now it's here, and I can actually go ahead and add this column to the workflow. So now it's a part of the workflow. If I hit save, you're going to see it right here. And now it's a part of one of our tables. Okay. Now if I go ahead and save this, I can actually go into a campaign. And when I'm starting a new campaign, this is now going to show up as a default template. So I can add my brands, and this will be the workflow that my team uses. So you can customize the workflow of Linkio by using custom columns, by adding templates, and then applying it to the link building campaigns.